Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to explain JavaScript Set Logic Methods. So here we have the definitions. A set in JavaScript is a built-in object that stores unique value only, meanings no duplicate allowed, order is preserved, fast lookups important for the performance. So what is the real meaning? A set is used when you care about uniqueness plus quick comparison. Think of it like your liked song watch list. Even if you click like 10 times, it still stores it once. So here, this is, I think we have an example for you. Let me create it. This is here. So let's create here. Let's make this feel real. Okay. You suppose you and your friend are planning to weekend being session. Both of you already have your favorite show saved. Let me create that here. So suppose my show, it is equal to new set, then inside array, this is here money heist. Okay, and then dark, then it is a Breaking Bad here, Breaking Bad, Stranger Things. Got it? So this is my show, and here we have a friend show, const, it is equal to new sets. Inside it here, first dark, then again Breaking Bad. Copy this. Next is here the boys. Then this is Loki. Got it? It is my favorite show and my friend favorite show, this one. So here, these are the sets, no duplicates. Got it? Here, this set and this set. Each value represents a unique. So now your goal is to compare, test, plus decide what to watch. So this is my show, this is my friend's show. Now we have to go to work on this unique. Here let's see everything available. Here I'm in union. Union return a new set containing all unique elements from the both sets. This is, we have two sets, my show and my friends. This is two sets. So in the union here, what happened? Here return a new set. Okay, it will return the new set containing all the unique elements from both sets. In simple words, combine both. Let's remove the duplicate automatically. Simple meaning of union here. In the two set here, we will combine both, and if we have a duplicate value, we will remove that automatically. Set remove automatically that values. Here you both say, let's start see all options first. This is try to check it here, guys. Const all source is equal to my source dot, not like this, remove this, dot union. Here what is happening, guys? My source dot, it is a union, then inside it here, put it here friend. So console log all source. So tell me what you got it here in the output. You see this is union, you got it here money is Breaking Bad, it is duplicate values. So set automatically remove that. This one, let me execute that first. Here CLS, then you have to execute your file, and you see the set money is the Breaking Bad, Stranger Things, The Boys, Loki's. Got it? This is here. I think here we made the mistakes, spelling mistakes. This is boys. Got it? Now here we have to move the next one, intersections. What should we watch together? Okay. Okay, I think let me first explain this. These are the sets, no duplicate. Here this one sets. My source it is a set, friends so it is a sets. So here is value represent unique. So now your goal is to compare test and decide what to watch. It is very simple. Now next method it is the intersections. What should we watch together? Intersection return a new set with element that exist in both sets. In simple word, find common item. Common item you see here. It is very simple. You see here. Dark and Breaking Bad. We have the common in both the set. You see these two and these two are the common. So let's here we have to check it here using the functions here. This is we have the methods intersections here const common. So this is here common. So it is equal to my source dot intersection friend. So then we will write here console.log common. So okay, here no need of this example, so that's why here you have to comment and check the intersection. We got it here, common things. You see Dark and Breaking Bad. Got it? So it is very simple. Just you want common. Now difference. You see, inside it here, it check each items. I mean MISO and friends, and keep only those present in both set. Okay, it is perfect for matching the systems and mutual friends, shared interest, recommendation systems. This is the difference here. What's only mine? Difference here, return the element that exists in the first set but not in the second. In simple word, remove what we have in common. So here difference methods const, this is here const only mine is equal to my source dot difference. This is difference inside it here friend. So console.log only mine. Got it? So print and you see your output money heist and stranger things. Here this is the difference. You see in this one here money heist and here you see a stranger thing. It is a different only mine. We have to just check in the difference. Return the element that exists in the first set. First set. You see first set. Only here in this one, not here. We have to work only on this first set. Got it? So in the first set, what we have different. This is a common. You see these two things common here, and rest of thing like stranger things and money asked. It is different. So that's why in the output you got it here. What here you see output. This is here, only mine. We have money heist and stranger things. Got it? Then we have symmetric difference where we disagree. Symmetric difference return element that exists in either set but not in both. In simple word, remove the common item. You see here, remove common items, keep everything else. So you see here, common thing, we have to remove this one, Dark, then Breaking Bad from here also. Then what we have, money heist, stranger things, the boys, Loki. So let me check it here. This is here, which so are different between us. So here const unique. So this is here unique. So it is equal to my source dot symmetric difference. This is here symmetric here difference inside it here my friend. So console.log, and then unique. So then check it here, and you see I've already told you money is strange thing, the boys loc is good. Here remove the intersection and keep only the unique part from the both side, I mean first set and second sets. Okay, next it is a is subset. Is this list fully inside? Here check if all element of one set exists in another sets. Here in simple word, is this smaller list completely inside the bigger one? So we have to here check it here. Const small list, just create a new variables, new set inside array. Here you have to put dark and breaking. Here let me copy this and we will remove this. This is here what we need. Here we need two things, no need of this one. Then we have dark and breaking bait. So here let me console.log what small list dot each subset of my. So got it here. This is here small list, new set dark breaking. Where do you see here what? Here check if all element of one set exists in another sets. Here you see here, this is a small list, already exists in the MySo. You see inside it we have two elements, and that these two elements are present in the MySo. Let me check here. You see these two things already have that. So this is where here MySo. So let me check it here. Your output here, check every item of a small list. Here if all exist in MySo, you got it true, but it is got error. It is not a function. No worry. Let me copy this. I mean here something going wrong. That is what. Now check it here again. And you see it is true. It means it is true. This here is small list, all the values here dark and breaking bad we have already in the MySo. That's why it is returned the true values. Okay, check every item of the small list. If all exists in the MySo, it will return the true values. Next here is superset. This is this here is superset of do I have everything. Check if set contain all the element of another set. In simple word, do I already have everything from that list or not? So here if it is true, then it is return the true values. I think here let me remove this comment because we will use this variables here. Console.log inside MySo dot your functions. This is here. Copy this, paste it here, then inside it here is small list. This variable here, this one is small list, and form to document, and then check it here. You see it is true. Got it here. This is you got is true, means here it is a project of subset and bigger set contain the smaller sets. Now the last one is this joint form, totally different. Each this joint form check if two sets have no element in the common. In simple what do we have zero overlaps? So let me check it here, guys. We have to get another example for it. Const enemy. So this is here enemy. So it is equal to new set, then inside a string, put it here Naruto. This is here. This is next one piece. Got it. Here at console.log what my source dot is. It's simple to copy paste. Copy this function's name, put it here, then inside it put this variable form to document. That is fine. So what happened here? It compare both sets. If nothing matches, it return true. and you already know here it is nothing to match, inside anime. So we have this values, this one Piece and Naruto. But what we have in the Miso, this is Miso. In the Miso we have this two thing. Okay, I mean this four element. This one and this is here values, it is not matching. Okay, so that's why it will be returned true, and we can cut it. Okay, and even you can check it easily. Let me just console log, and you see it is true. Got it? So here we have successfully completed this lecture about set. Union means everything together. Intersection means common. Difference means only mine. Symmetric difference means it is difference. Subset it is equal to, I mean inside. Superset it is contains. Disjoint no match. If you can think in set like this, you are not just coding. You are solving the problem like a pro. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.